What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to install some new side skirt on the F30 BMW. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm just going to install this new side skirt on the F30 BMW. You know what I mean? Yeah. I already installed the one on the passenger side of the car. You know what I mean? Because it's going to be the same process, guys. Whatever we do on the left side here, the driver's side, is going to be the same process on the right side. You know what I mean? The only thing you're going to need is just the T25 bit for the screws and what's going to go in here. You know what I mean? Let me show you guys that. So this is what the screws look like. There's a T25. Get that, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how we're going to slide it on and catch in these bolts pretty easy. These are plastic, guys. You know what I mean? It's BMW, you know what I mean? Bunch of plastic stuff. So first of all, guys, I want to say all of these parts that I'm installing on this F30, I bought them from a guy on Facebook Marketplace. You know, he sent me the whole package. You know, you have one of these same car, and the good thing about it, guys, this car is black and the parts that I get is black, so I don't have to bring it to the shop to get no paint or nothing like that. You know what I mean? That's a good thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a F30 right here. I don't think you guys can see that. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go ahead and put these on real quick. Okay, guys, so let me show you what's going on here. So this is the side skirt in here. This little piece here, we already have it in here. So I'm just going to take this piece out right here. Okay guys, so after I get this piece off, this is it. Yeah, then just go ahead now and slide this on. Just put it on over here. All the way. Let's get it back all the way. Make sure you line up and slide it in. See that, guys? All right in place. So we're gonna go underneath here now and catch these bolts, these plastic bolts. So just look for the holes and catch it. Just like that. Just go ahead and catch them all the way, and that's it. That's the install side skirting, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and catch all of them under here. Okay guys, so that's it. Fit real nice. See that? So this is the driver's side. Let's go on the passenger side and look on that. It's kind of dark back here, but that's it. Nice. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you install the side skirting on your F30 BMW, you know what I mean? So guys, we have a lot of videos to come. You know what I mean? I'm getting the message telling me that the hood is open. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. The tire pressure light is on. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. You know what I mean? So we have a lot of videos to come. So if it's your first time on the channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button press the notification bell and press all, so whenever time I drop another video, you can be the first to notify, you know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.